I'm very happy that this workshop was different for me than any other workshop I took outside or inside the university. And I think that main reason for this being the people who actually created the workshop. They put everything out for us, and all the resources involved were amazing. So my expectations that I came in were very different than the reality. The reality was much better than what I expected. How I found it? Well, I found it very engaging, very helpful for all levels, regarding your age, regarding your nationality, your background, your beliefs, your language, everything that you come with, just bringing in the course. It's amazing. And I found it very engaging, one-on-one conversation in a small group, but also with a large group and with a coach. My highlight for this 2 sessions would be I've learned so much to speak in one person, I, rather than we. I've learned to center all the conversation and the situation on me, rather than generalizing what's going on around and how others may identify or may feel, rather than I feel. Challenging probably was at the beginning not to use my mobile phone like I'm used to do my mobile phone, and just being focused and present in a moment. That actually helped me a lot to engage with myself and with other people in the room, to think better and clear without having distractions. Those distractions coming from social media or other platforms. What I've learned from everyone else's experience is shared. I will keep with myself, and I will see what I can do to improve myself, and what I can do not to affect others with my results, such as time management, commitment, loyalty, dedication, involvement.